You rub, hey, you rub me. You rub me, you rubber. I don't like it. Send me it. I don't want that meat. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Krept and Konan, two legends of the UK. Abra, one of my favorite out of the UK. The remix. That way remix. So I'm guessing there's other artists on it. I don't know yet. So my brother sent it to me and say, yo, this would be sick to react to. I'm like, alright, let me see it. Click on it, you know. This is the first time I'm clicking on the link. So big up yourself, my brother. You know yourself already. Alright? So let's get another one here and see what the G them has said. Let's go. So Krept and Konan featuring Abra, Cadabra, That Way remix. That Way. Directed by Dan Production. Alright, let's go.
Rise it. We can never get tired.
As it start now for wheel up. Wheel out. Ease. As it start. Them shot there is iconic. Them shot there is an anthem.
Rise it. We can never get tired.
I'm already gassed. I'm already pumped up. Let's go.
I'm in then I'm out like a fat man's girl. I'm in then I'm out. When I press this thing, I'm in then I'm out. Don't kiss that girl, I put woe in her mouth. You know, like that way. Get a drop to my young boy with it. You know.
Fuck off! Suck on the mother on the bad like Cadabra. Suck on the mother now.
Rise it. We can never get tired.
No.
Slide on them. Slide. Press it in the sky. I'm in then I'm out like a fat man's girl.
I be the man that me say, be the man there. Wait there. Oh no, because I'm so hyped up, I'm missing things. I am missing things. Where the bumbo clot you miss things for? When put on my glasses, can I come like you can't see a blood clot? Put on your glasses. Yeah, idiot. You can't see. Let's go. Missy be there. Rise it.
We can never get tired.
Yeah.
Slide on them. Slide. Press it on him.
Backward.
Rise it. We can never get tired.
Krept and Konan, yeah?
Slide on them.
Krept, yeah. Abra, yeah.
Press it on him.
Country, ooh,
in the sky.
French, ooh, come on, let's be the man.
Like a fat man's girl, I'm in then I'm out. When I press this thing, I'm in then I'm out. Don't kiss that girl, I put woe in her. You know, like that way. Get a drop to my young boy with it. You know, like that way. Spin this coupe, reverse it. The man went that way. Baby, come, arch your back. You know how I like it that way, yeah.
Arch your bum buckler back, me tell you already. Hey, girl, stop up your back. Arch it. You move like you let a bum buckler end. Don't arch. No arching. No end. Bum buckler. What do you want? Arch it. Girl. Not
that way. Spin this coupe,
not what it's
that way. Baby, come, arch your back.
Arch your back. Sink in your bum buckler back. Ready. Stop.
Stink said rap. I'll stay strapped for the chaos. You know how much flats he's taked off. Amazon us, Jeff Bezos. Man was running in cribs like who's the shotter. You would think that he's from Niger.
Man was running in the crib like who's the shotter. Yeah, we're running. Oh yeah, what the phone there? What the brown buckler right there? Send man. Pussy, well, I want to know. No pussy test.
Rap, I'll stay strapped for the chaos. You know how much flats he's taked off. Amazon us, Jeff Bezos.
Woo!
Man was running in cribs like who's the shotter. You would think that he's from Niger. The way he was shouting, you rubber.
You was thinking it's from Nigeria, they were shouting, Yoruba. What does Yoruba mean? Leave that chat. What does Yoruba mean? I don't know.
In cribs like who's the shotter? You would think that he's from Niger. The way he was shouting, you rubber. As we ran off with belonging.
Oh, Yoruba. Yeah, they get it. Okay. But I don't think you're from Niger. The way you shout out, Yoruba. Yoruba. I don't like it. Send me. I don't want that meat. That's my Niger accent. Sorry. We're done. We finished. I finished, my friend. I finished. No more. Shit. No, that's my God. I'm English. No, that's not Africa again. Bomba clad. My brother. You don't know me, yo. Don't piss me off, blood. Don't know me, blood. I'll give you this now. Hey. Challenge. Hey.
Stink said rap. I'll stay strapped for the chaos. You know how much flats he's taked off. Amazon us, Jeff Bezos.
Yeah.
Man was running in cribs like who's the shotter. You would think that he's from Niger. The way he was shouting, you rubber. As we ran off with belonging.
The ad-lib boss in a man. The ad-lib boss is here. What the fuck you talking about?
In cribs like who's the shotter. You would think that he's from Niger. The the way he was shouting, you rubber, as we ran off with belongings.
Which one selected? Ejected. Man got better like Beckham. Bucket, living like Lingard. Which way did he go to telling me this way, so I went?
Yo, how the fuck does he get away with this every fucking song? Brother, ad-libs on top of ad-libs on top of ad-libs. Them bad, him get away with it. He's so different, he's so unique. Back when you pick up a bumbo class, fam. Brother, that youth are different, dog. The man like there could never be a sad moment around this youth. Never. Just look on him, brother. Like, all his iPod.
Which way did he go to telling me this way, so I went that way? Be my ex, protect your head. You don't want to end up on the curbside dead. Back up, don't move.
Back up, don't move. Bombo clap.
Back up, don't move. Who fought all the guns and was kitchen knives? You know where the fuck did the killers tonight? Next 100 bags, we're taking out 30 jobs. Spilling out all the white. Back up, don't move. Who fought all the guns and was kitchen knives? You know where the fuck did the killers tonight? Next, protect your head. You don't want to end up on the curbside dead. Back up, don't move. Who fought all the guns and was kitchen knives? You know where the fuck did the killers tonight? Next 100 bags, we're taking out 30 jobs. Spilling out all the white. Man put corn and mash. Tell a man look forward, don't look back.
Spent this coupe, reverse it. Mixing that lean with the perks.
Montana, let's see what you got, bro. Scum, bro.
We're taking out 30 jobs. Spilling out all the white. Man put corn and mash. Tell a man look forward, don't look back.
Spent this coupe, reverse it. Mixing that lean with the perks. Men's don't do beef, they allergic. Smack them, handing back their purses. Hurts.
Man don't do beef, they're allergic. We don't need a beefing thing, pussy. I want to hear when a farmer, we not do beef. Fully vegetarian, pussy run up. I kill you. I not beefing, I not back and forth thing. We not do none of beef thing. You hear that? Yeah, we not do bumbo clap beef, know that.
Spent this coupe, reverse it. Mixing that lean with the perks. Men's don't do beef, they allergic. Smack them, handing back their purses. Hurts. Going that way, that way. Every bitch I fuck with, go that way, that way. Best friend came with a best friend. And that best friend came with a best friend.
Best friend? So if girl come with a best friend, the best friend come with a best friend, and that best friend come with a bumbo clap. The girl, the best friend come with the best friend, that's a 3. Best friend come with a 4 girl already. Bumbo clap, and them still that's a best friend.
Fuck we go that way, that way. Best friend came with a best friend. And that best friend came with a best friend. Slide on the Alp like the Everest. Had to pull shiesty on no cameras. Hit him up live on TV. Came in the mouth, he ate that pussy, he greedy. Bottom of the...
What? I beg your pardon?
He on no cameras. Hit him up live on TV. Came in the mouth, he ate that pussy, he greedy. Back the purses, hurts. Going that way, that way. Every bitch I fuck with, go that way, that way. Best friend came with a best friend. And that best friend came with a best friend. Slide on the Alp like the Everest. Had to pull shiesty on no cameras. Hit him up live on TV. Came in the mouth, he ate that pussy, he greedy.
Hit him up live on TV. Came in the mouth, he ate that pussy. He greedy.
Best friend came with a best friend.
Me get it now. I was thinking something else, but it means something else.
And that best friend came with a
I get it!
Slide
I get it!
Like the Everest. Had to pull shiesty on no cameras. Hit him up live on TV. Came in the mouth, he ate that pussy, he greedy. Bottom of the pot, cocaine in the trap. Coke boy CB, chain on 3D. We can never get tired. Head blow in the drop, we can never get high.
Rob niggas and got them hurt. When I pass away, I ain't going to heaven. I told bro, man, I step, cause second strike, they'll give you a 7.
Hold on then, man. I coverage this. Coverage this, right?
He ate that pussy, he greedy. Bottom of the pot, cocaine in the trap. Coke boy CB, chain on 3D. We can never get tired. Head blow in the drop, we can never get high.
Rob niggas and got them hurt. When I pass away, I ain't going to heaven. I told bro, man, I step, cause second strike, they'll give you a 7.
The man done seal him fate. The man say, yo, when we pass away, man, I got heaven. No! Dung a hell. If there's a hell, I dung them, I go. Yeah. Me I go roll Satan for dung that bumbo clot. Yeah. Me I go kick Satan a half I'm eye throat when I reach down there so too. Cause me too evil. Evil. Not evil. Evil. With a H. Bumbo clot.
When I pass away, I ain't going to heaven. I told bro, man, I step, cause second strike, they'll give you a 7. I just bought me a 17. My yardie unk just bought an 11. Mac spray.
Ooh, pick up the yard of them. Yeah, pick up a set for the yardies. Then say yardie uncle just buy my what? 17?
Hasn't got them hurt. When I pass away, I ain't going to heaven. I told bro, man, I step, cause second strike, they'll give you a 7. I just bought me a 17. My yardie uncle just bought an 11. Mac spray it.
Okay, me had the uncle just buy 11, so Mac 11.
Give you a 7. I just bought me a 17. My yardie uncle just bought an 11. Mac spray it. Oops, shouldn't have said it. No safety, I'm just saying. I'm a drippy stepper. I ain't trying to get pagan blood all on my Celine. All on my B30 Mac and Mary jeans. I just gave a cat 2 in his face, got 2 on my waist. Don't loopy, Mac shoot up.
Just gave a cat 2 in him face. And my 2 on him waist.
Stepper. I ain't trying to get pagan blood all on
Cold,
my
bro.
Celine.
This is fucking cold, brother. Like, seriously. Just deep in the man, I said that.
All on my B30 Mac and Mary jeans. I just gave a cat 2 in his face, got 2 on my waist. Don't loopy, Mac shoot up the place. What I want for Christmas, a new shoe and a lace.
What I want for Christmas? A new shoe and a lace. What my shoes there? Not shoes where you walk on, brother. No. That I want for Christmas. The lace how you put in it to knock up pussy.
2 on my waist. Don't loopy, Mac shoot up the place. What I want for Christmas, a new shoe and a lace.
Rise it, we can never get tired. Slide on them, slide. Press it on him and sky him. I'm in the night like a fat man's girl. I'm in the night when I press this.
Yeah, but
I'm
boss,
in the
man.
night. Don't kiss that girl.
How you been here, say now?
Sorcerer. They wanna do cyber.
I'm not been here.
If my young ones pull up, you're gonna need life support.
Yeah.
Me have to run.
If my young one pull up, you're gonna need life support because the man on the pan only for chatting pussy. Not chatting pussy. Life support you go pan if you're lucky. If you're bumbuckler lucky. Life support. That's right there. Badness. That's right come down to.
Cyber wars. If my young ones pull up, you're gonna need life support.
Yeah.
Made me have to remind you. She said, "Are you paid?" And I'm like, "Of course." Somebody tell her she must be the dwellers, Michael Kors.
Every time it's a bad man roll up, platinum diamond money fall up.
Billy man, stop your bumbuckler. Doc, stop your bumbuckler. Are you just up here, so? Are you just up here with no warning? You can't do that, my G. King, you can't do that, King. Nah, man. If you announce your president, don't do that again, man. Scared me, man.
Don't make me have to remind you. She said, "Are you paid?" And I'm like, "Of course." Somebody tell her she must be the dwellers, Michael Kors.
Every time it's a bad man roll up, platinum diamond money fall up. Girl warm and me know she no cool up. See the pole, I show the for the pole up.
I'm gonna break down Beanie Man part 4 for all owner get what I'm saying. I'm gonna break down every blood clot thing. Let's go.
Somebody tell her she must be the dwellers, Michael Kors.
Every time it's a bad man roll up, platinum diamond money fall up.
Anytime you see bad man roll up, anytime you see gangster roll up, platinum money, that's how we there with him, Lord. When you see we happy, presents, come on.
Don't make me have to remind you. She said, "Are you paid?" And I'm like, "Of course." Somebody tell her she must be the dwellers, Michael Kors.
Every time it's a bad man roll up, platinum diamond money fall up. Girl warm and me know she no cool up. See the pole, I show the for the pole up.
Y'all warm, I know she not call up. See the pole, she ready for the pole up. The pole and you know the pole where the man have. Yeah, she ready for the pole up. She ready for the knock. Yeah.
Platinum diamond money fall up. Girl warm and me know she no cool up. See the pole, I show the for the pole up. Girl say hands up like it's a wall up. She take off my shirt and my pants first.
Y'all say hands up. She undressed me. She take off my shirt, then my pants first. Yeah. She has treat me. I get down to business. That is direct act. Beanie Man, big up yourself. I am breaking up Beanie Man's part for who don't get it.
To the pull up, girl say hands up like it's a wall up. She take off my shirt and my pants first. My girl, you a bubble like a thermos. My girl, me nervous.
My girl, you a bubble like a thermos. Thermos, you put water in it. You know the hot one of these? Yeah. She a bubble like a thermos. Yeah. This right there, yeah.
She take off my shirt and my pants first. My girl, you a bubble like a thermos. My girl, me nervous. Baby, table me a primus.
To all your move, I am experienced to the female world, to the gallus world. Me nervous, cause no girl never deal with me so. Remember she push me against the wall and say, hey, put up your hand, bum, hey, put up your hand, man. Take off my clothes, you know. She lead the sexual encounter. She lead it. Say nervous.
My girl, you a bubble like a thermos. My girl, me nervous. Baby, table me a primus. Them call me the girl, them genius.
Baby to your belly. Yeah. Once me go in, me left a baby night. So you know, say, I did raw dog. Beanie Man, if you stop it, you're a big man. Raw dog, we do it though. Raw dog.
My girl, me nervous. Baby, table me me a Primus. Them call me the girl, them genius. Courteous girl, me put you first. No girl can call me Titus.
Remember, you know. It's the girl, them sugar. It's the girl, them sugar. Now, they must say, the girl, them genius. You know, say, but you know, yeah. He must say, him kind to the girl, them. He's kind to the girls, them. The girl can't call him Titus. Titus is a famous comedian back in Jamaica. You know, Titus. That is his stage name. So, they must say, no girl can call him Titus. No girl can say mean. But he must use Titus because it rhyme back with genius. No girl can say mean. That's what I mean. Alright?
Them call me the girl, them genius. Courteous girl, me put you first. No girl can call me Titus. Man a bad man, me a money man. I'm a children, me spend night on.
A bad man, me a money man. Me have my money. I'm spend it for my kids them. Yeah.
The girl them who get a few guns on the bus gunshot.
Move smart, invest in machines. You know how it's like in a COV. Front line with the Rams on me. I really have my jug on fleet.
Yo, them young artists here should be privileged that they're on a track with Beanie. No joke. I don't know how it happen or who make it happen. But I know Big Beanie was in the UK not long ago. So that is when the video probably shoot. But these young artists, these young artists should be very privileged that they're in the King's presence. Cause Beanie Man is a legend. Girl
can call me Titus. Man a bad man, me a money man. I'm a children, me spend night on. All the girl them who get a few guns on the bus gunshot.
Move smart, invest in machines. You know how it's like in a COV. Front line with the Rams on me. I really have my jug on fleek. The streets love me and they add me. Who made a living off a lifetime day? How many bridges burn for the price of J? The power of speed. Why is it always this washed up man? Tall like the ever boss man's kings. Met money with the big friends. I was in the teacher and I moved that lane. Really do shit that way.
I say, why all these older washed up men that go and like say they are them give it food and them send it to the road? One time, he must say, one time only the day out there are doing the thing only the selfish. Only sell snapper, only sell bumbo cloth salmon, only sell sardine, only sell herring, only sell every fucking thing. Only sell fish. Only never did nothing for we down here. So don't act because you're not washed up now. You don't have any street cred. You're not gonna get none from me as a tooth. That's how the GS say big up.
Met money with the big friends. I was in the teacher and I moved that lane.
Yeah.
Really do shit that way. They could never be like that way. My way. Drew your girl in a diamond that way.
Rise it. We can never get tired. Slide on them, slide. Press it on him and sky him. I'm in then I'm out like a fat man's girl. I'm in then I'm out. When I press this thing, I'm in then I'm out. Don't kiss that girl, I put ball with me.
Spin around, spin that bumper. 2G looks straight for
like
Batman, so Batman watches on. I should see Batman, I start giving her number. Should see big spawn while wear man's jumper. Hold up, shorty, rewind that bumper. Twirl it, firm it, steady it straight when you arch that bumper.
Yo, what the
Can never get
man, the wedding, man.
Slide. Press it on him and sky him.
The reaction is a bit long, I'm sorry, but
I'm out like a fat man's girl. I'm in then I'm out. When I press this thing, I'm in then I'm out. Don't kiss that girl, I put ball with me.
Spin around, spin that bumper. 2G looks straight for she like Batman, so Batman watches on. I should see Batman, I start giving her number. Should see big spawn while wear man's jumper. Hold up, shorty, rewind that bumper. Twirl it, firm it, steady it straight when you arch that bumper. Black machine on my hood up. Man that sheen when I pull up. Dip, do, low bro, dip too. Yeah, it's true when I try with you. She better than bad, want sit in the belly. I'm madder than mad, I want him on the telly. I done the one drill, yeah, I really been steppy. Love pop up on any yacht block with the shit.
Bust that door, I think you went that way. And if this drill goes well, then we're gonna need Rizzler, chip and an ashtray. Relocate, come on a back way. Slim but fit, but the front got cushion, I'm hitting it back way. She can't roll, she ain't on vibes. Neck and wrist, spill it with ice. Out air strapped with a 40 live. Any weather, like vibes. Bros in a pen for M like vibes. Shoot man's mind. I tried, see me outside and course it's live. Rev that button, spill it with ice. Out air strapped with a 40 live. Any weather, like vibes. Bros in a pen for M like vibes. Shoot.
Bros in a pen for M like Vibes Cartel. I'm saying brother they're in a prison for a murder. Like Vibes Cartel. They are prison for murder. The same thing, the same. You see me? Who is this artist? I don't know him. I've never reacted to a song for him. So I'm gonna leave in the comment section. Who is this artist for me? And I'm sorry that reaction is a bit long, but you know anything goes over here, man.
Human's mind. I tried, see me outside and course it's live. Rev that bike, fill it with buying.
Grip it, swing it. Not a man them ain't hitting and missing. This one ain't got a silent soul. When my thing clicking, you won't hear hissing. He didn't hear that I was bowing, I'm pitching. Down with the kitch, got him down with a blick, and I rap back twinning. Cause I did it. You ain't met a nigga like me on your block, cause I rap and rap cocaine and I bang, mate. Put him in a bad day, left him in a bad way. I whack more niggas than the fingers of my hand, mate. You at the youngest for a rampage. They'll tear up the satin in a man's face. We just got brand new corn and it's filed them and sending it that way.
Yo, this bad, you fuck. Yo, this bad, you fuck. Okay, so here we have everybody now. So Krept and Konan, band, Abs, Backroad, G, French Montana, Clavish. Yes, I was right. It was Clavish. King being the man. I don't know King, man. But that's who it was. Okay, okay. A band okay. OFP, double Z, double LZ, me call him. Yeah, K-Trap. The Road and Dan Prod. Okay, alright. Yo, this band you fuck. Me love this. Sorry, like I said, sorry the 20-minute reaction for a 5-minute video. Yo, I'm not gonna end the video right there. So leave that in the comment section. Who did your favorite verse for me? Leave who had the favorite. Who had your favorite verse? Yeah. Who have your favorite verse? You see me? Alright, I'm gonna leave the one there right there. So I'll catch you guys soon, man. It's too long already. Bye.